10 Golden Tips to Lose Weight. If you are watching this video, you must be suffering from weight loss issues. Well, yeah, how to lose weight is one of the most searched topics around the world. With increasing food quality and low physical input in work, people often gain weight, and then it becomes very hard to get in shape. The internet is full of tips and tricks for losing weight, but most of them are myths. So if you need easy weight loss tips that will not only help you lose but also maintain your weight over time, you are on the right channel. Let's take a look at 10 easy tips for losing weight without going to any dietitian and spending an exhausting amount of time and money in the gym. Buy a weighing machine. The most important step toward a weight loss journey is buying a weighing machine and checking your weight empty stomach. It's often being said that if you are losing, it will show up. That's not true. For the first 2 months of your weight loss journey, people around you will not notice any significant changes, so the weighing machine will help you keep updated about how much you are losing every day. Hydration. When you are on a weight loss journey, you want the fat burn, not tissue breakdown, and here water comes into play. Keeping yourself hydrated is very crucial for fat burning. It not only makes you feel full but also helps tissue hydration. Optimal intake of water fastens the weight loss process, keeps your gut clean, helps in better digestion, and gives a natural glow to the skin. The recommended intake of water is 2–2.5 liters per day for assisting in weight loss. Detox Drink. Detoxing means eliminating all the toxins from your body. Toxin buildup causes many health problems, and weight gain is one of them, so if you want to succeed in your journey, detox drinks are a must. These drinks not only help you get rid of the toxins, but also boost up the fat burning process. Lemon is mostly used in making detox drinks because it naturally contains antitoxins. 1 glass of detox drink empty stomach will do magic for inches loss. Avoiding the whites. Yes, you heard it right, avoiding the whites. Every edible thing that is white is in its refined form and contains less fiber and nutrients such as white flour and white rice. If you want to make it easy for yourself, just replace your white refined rice and flour with brown ones. These brown foods have complex carbohydrates that will keep you full for a longer period of time and will also regulate your blood sugar levels. Moreover, brown rice and flour are rich in fiber, which will keep your gut clean and your bowels habits normal. Counting the calories. Here comes the most significant and famous calorie counting topic. Counting how many calories your body needs to maintain your current weight and cutting 5 to 1,000 calories from the recommended calorie intake creates a caloric deficit, and your body uses the fat as a substitute. To help you give a better understanding, let's look at this example. For instance, a female needs 1,900 calories to maintain 86 kilograms of weight, so if she cuts down 900 calories from her daily need and only takes 1,000 calories per day, the deficiency of energy will be fulfilled by stored fat, and this process will lead to weight loss. Generally, a 600 calorie cutout per day is enough and safe for losing weight. Physical activity. Any kind of physical activity is important for the human body, especially if you want to look young and healthy. People who live sedentary life are more prone to diabetes, heart diseases, and weight gain, so if you want to lose weight, any level of physical activity is important. It is recommended that a 60-minute walk or 30-minute running in the morning is enough for burning 200 to 250 calories per day and is sufficient to lose 1 kilogram per week with an appropriate diet. Do not eat carbohydrates after 6 p.m. The single most important point that I learned during my own weight loss journey was any kind of carbohydrate, either white or brown, must be avoided after 6 p.m. The metabolism is slowest at night and the physical activity is minimal, so if you eat any carbohydrate late at night, especially after 6 p.m., your body will most likely store the energy generated from that food in the form of fat, and you will end up sabotaging your journey. If you keep in mind this formula, I bet you will be in your best shape by the next summer. Avoid fad diets. Fad diets such as the keto diet, vegan diet, and water diets are hoaxes. Avoiding these diets is better if you want long-term weight loss results. Fad diets may seem to work faster at first, but the weight bounces back once you stop these diets. Timing is important. Plan your timing so that you eat all of your meals on time and also get 8 hours of sleep. Scheduling your routine helps your body to better understand what's happening and also maintain a good metabolic rate. Your body will stress out less and will be able to pull out better results. Always remember, the key to a healthy lifestyle is proper timing, adequate rest, physical activity, and a balanced diet. Consistency. Consistency is key to progress. For starting your weight loss journey, you will have to prepare your mentality for upcoming changes and learn to maintain those changes over time. If you will stop after 1 or 2 months of your journey, believe that you would not see any significant results, so keep doing what you started again and again until you reach your goal. The tips that we discussed in this video are very useful for changing your life, and the good news is you can make these changes for life. If you like this video and want more videos related to diet and exercise, like, share, subscribe, and stick to the channel. We will be uploading amazing healthy foods and at-home exercises in our weight.